Hello everyone! We're currently here in I'M Hotel, located here in Makati Avenue, Makati City. We are here to celebrate our 9th wedding anniversary. So tara, room tour tayo. So first, dito sa left side, yung toilet or bathroom. So as you can see, may shower, may toilet bowl, bidet, which is very important to us, and yung sink. Very common pero very cozy. Now, dito naman sa right side, ito yung cabinet. Oops, nandito yung mga gamit namin. So, yan. May hanger. And then, may mga slippers. Good for 2 people. And then you can hang your clothes there. And then another one na space above. And then ito yung safe where you can put your valuable things like phone, money. Yan. And then oops. Let's close it.
You won't use it.
We won't use it naman. And then, yung kanilang small pantry where you can have your sugar, coffee. And also, by the way, dito pala hindi sila nagbibigay ng bottled water. Meron sila ditong parang jug, small jug, na pwede mong i-refill outside. Yun, so...
And cups.
And cups.
Glasses.
Glasses.
How about yung ilalim?
And then for this one, meron tayo ditong small fridge. Yan. In case na gusto mong bumili ng mga drinks to chill later. And then, we have the queen size bed. Ayan. Sobra siyang comfy kapag humiga ka. Then, there's the remote. And then, dito naman sa part na to, ito yung TV where you can watch. I'm not sure kung may Netflix sila, babe.
I'll check later. Haven't checked.
Yan.
Tapos
And then,
yung
ito yung
table.
mga
Workstation
you can
or
discuss.
you can eat pag may mga takeouts kayo. Tapos may mga binigay sa aming mga documents. The first one is this. This is a receipt for the security deposit. We paid 3,000 security deposit, which we can refund upon checkout.
For as long as walang nawawala sa room, walang nasira, then you can get the full 3,000 pesos.
Yeah. This one naman is a guide for all the amenities, including their operating hours. So nandyan yung gym, and then yung pool, and then
Yung onsen spa na
Onsen
very
spa.
popular sila.
tapos
Very happy.
yung kasi our check-in or our reservation includes breakfast. So nasa 4th floor siya sa common good food, which is open daily from 6 a.m. to 11 bukas.
Okay.
So may breakfast kami. Tapos they give us complimentary things. This one is complimentary dessert, which we can claim on the 4th floor and sa common good din. Tapos 10-minute complimentary massage at Onsen Spa. Ito yung key cards. Yan. Tapos they have Wi-Fi din and the password is there. Okay?
And then,
And then nandito yung sofa
sofa bed na masarap mag-lounge.
Let's check the view.
Let's check the view.
Kung anong meron sa labas.
I think it's the Makati skyline.
Yan.
I think mas maganda siya pag gabi. So,
Yeah. Mostly buildings lang makikita. We are, na-mention mo ba babe kung nasan tayo floor?
15th floor.
15th. We are on the 15th floor. And so later, we will explore the amenities. For now, papahinga muna kami.
Ciao!